Hello guys, welcome to PlaybookFX. Today on GBPUSD, I took a trade and it's a 1:5 hour trade on GBPUSD today. Even though the market is kind of slow today, I was able to cash this 1:5 hour trade on GBPUSD, and I think I should share the logic behind the trade I took. How I was able to pick this zone to buy from and why I picked here as my target. I'm going to paste the screenshot of the MT5 execution somewhere on the screen. If you enjoy this kind of content and you would like me to do more of this trade recap anytime I pick a trade, I will post the logic behind the trade, my confidence and all that. If you like this kind of content, please give this video a thumbs up. Drop your comment and question regarding trade, anything related to trading. I'll be willing to answer them as soon as I can. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever I post new content like this. So let's dive right into it. So on 4 hour, we had this I have this range, this level that broke structure. I have this high as the high of my range and this low as the low of my range. So I'm expecting price. Since last week, I've been expecting price to push from this low. I'm expecting price to come to maybe inside this fair value gap or anywhere, but I'm expecting price to push inside the premium of this zone. So now coming to the chart today, which is Tuesday, looking at my 1 hour time frame, there was this zone I had marked out last week Friday that I sold from. If you watch the video I released previously about the trades I took last week on GBPUSD, you should understand the reason why I sold from here. I sold from here and I took my profit somewhere around here. Now coming to the chart today, I noticed that okay, yesterday price, I don't know if this is news or anything. If you notice here, price was pushing down. We pushed to the upside. Price swept liquidity, then came down, break structure. Now, price was supposed to sell from this area to take out this low. But what did price do? Price just pushed back inside, took out some liquidity here, but failed to take out this low. And yesterday, what did price do? Price then pushed to the upside. So today on London session, what did I notice? I noticed that after price pushed to the upside, price took out this high, then pushed back down. But I did not see anything that price mitigates here except for this high here. I'll consider this as liquidity for price to take out. Price has taken it out during Asian session. After price manipulated this low, I was waiting for another manipulation of this low for price to buy. But where am I going to buy from? Since price has taken out this external, you have a range from this low to this high. So I'm looking for a pure high inside my discount to continue the buy from. What do I notice here? I notice that on 15 minutes, if you come back to like this price action here and see what happened here, price actually swept liquidity. Yeah, our price broke structure to the downside, meaning this high was supposed to be protected. If you refine it very well, I don't want to go to higher time frame, but if you go to higher time frame, you will see that this was the area that price was supposed to mitigate. So price did not get to this zone. Price just disrespect it and push to the upside. I have two POIs inside this discount, and the first one is this extreme here, and the second one is this one. The reason why I took this zone is because price did first manipulation, second manipulation, third manipulation, and I'm expecting price to continue buying from there. This was the main reason why I actually bought from here, because this was a protected high and it was supposed to be respected. I connected this protected high to align with this fair value gap. It gave me confidence that price may actually buy from here. Basically, that's the reason why I took the trade. I've taken my profit already though. I took my profit somewhere around here. I've closed this position. Now coming to chart tomorrow, what do I want to say? I want price to take out this high if I'm going to continue buying. So if price should take out this high, this now become my new low, and I'll be waiting for price to give me a high. So I'll have a range from here to here. If I'll be looking to buy from the discount, here is a flip zone, this area here, to continue the buy from there. The reason why is because if you look at what price is doing, price was sweeping lows. When price got here, price swept this high, took out this low, engineered liquidity close to this POI. So this was the POI that was supposed to continue this push to the downside. But what did price do? Price mitigate the POI, react a little bit, then failed. So meaning price may still come back here. It may even happen that before price will take out this high, price may retrace a little bit to this flip zone or continue going up. But if price should take out this high first without coming to this place, I'll be hoping by tomorrow this zone fall inside my discount so I can take continuation buy from there. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't yet, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Thanks for your time. God bless. See you in my next video.